Hey, welcome back to Tim Talks. We're going to go into talking about how to fill out your resume. We are talking about an 8-part series. Today we're going to go over part 7. If you're struggling to find content to put into your wow factor or your wow parts of the resume, then here's some questions you could ask yourself. When have I contributed to the business's success and with what results? How have I been publicly recognized? What do people come to me for? Which of my accomplishments have quantifiable data? Have I turned around a situation from failure to success? What role am I most proud of? That's a great question to ask yourself. And what am I most proud of in my career? So if you're looking for help with that, maybe seek out a mentor, seek out someone that could help you to sound better on your resume, and that'll help you to pinpoint exactly what you can put in there that'll make that wow factor stick out. So number 7, be specific. It's really easy to use words like proven track record or accomplished. Those are kind of common words that everybody uses, but you want to avoid those. They're very overused. So you think of something. I gave you that list in previous one of these tips, and it's a list of about 178 different action verbs that you can use to sound better. So when you use accomplished and proven track record, that's kind of a generality. You don't want to be general. Like number 7 says, you want to be specific. Talk about exactly what you've done and how you've succeeded in what you're doing. Here's an example of bullet points that are specific. Boosted employee satisfaction 15% despite headcount reductions. Transformed the team culture with renewed focus on training and professional development while breaking down barriers. Another one. Produced $4 million in annual cost savings. Deep dived into cost and risk assessment to balance the area's cost and risk profile and diverse forward action strategies. So those are some things that people have used in the past, those particular bullet points. And it can work for you too. Just tweak it to where it sounds good for you and fits your profile. 2 things will distinguish you from other candidates that are seeking the same position. When you're tempted to use phrases like accomplished, result-driven, or even proven track record, those are kind of generic. Instead, stop and gather the information that made you successful. Put that together. Data about your accomplishments, the results, the track record, everything that can be written down, anything you can show on paper is going to make a big difference in how you sound. It's going to have more meaning and impact when the manager looks at it, when the hiring manager looks at it, which means you'll get more interviews. Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it very much. Stay tuned for part 8. We'll talk to you very soon. Ciao, ciao. Have a great day.